Hello everyone. I am Ashok Sharma and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Ashok Sharma Classes. In this today's video we are going to understand a question number 8 of exercise 7.2 of chapter number 7, that is triangles of class 9th maths. Before starting the discussion, I would like to request all of you, please subscribe my channel so that you may get all my maths videos directly to your device. And now today's question. What is given in the statement and what is to be proved by us? Let us first understand this and then we will proceed the solution. Okay? So आइए पहले जानते हैं कि statement का meaning क्या है. Okay? So देखिए क्या है. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. We know very well. What is an equilateral triangle actually? The triangle whose all the three sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. So in this triangle ABC, also suppose this AB, BC and AC, they are equal to each other. What we have to show? All the three angles of this triangle equal to 60 degree each. That is angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C, and each of these three will be equal to 60 degree. We have to show this. Okay? So meaning क्या है? वह समझिएगा. This is angle A, this is angle B and this is angle C. So first of all, write down what is given in the statement of the question. According to the question, it is given that triangle ABC, it is an equilateral triangle. So in triangle ABC, we can write down in triangle ABC what we have. AB equals to BC and equals to the side AC. All the three sides of this triangle are equal to each other. It is given. And now what we have to show to prove? We have to show that each and every angle of this triangle, that is angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C, and they are equal to 60 degree each. ये हमें prove करना है. No need to write down any type of construction. So come to the next step, that is proof. And now, because AB and AC, although all the three sides are equal, it is given, but we are going to take two sides collectively. For example, if AB and AC, suppose these two are equal, then what does it mean? It means their opposite angles will also be equal to each other. Remember theorem 7.2. We know very well, according to the theorem 7.2, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then their opposite angles will also be equal to each other. So if AB and AC, these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles, the angle opposite to the side AB, that is angle C, and the angle opposite to the side AC, that is angle B, they will be equal to each other. So write down this. In triangle ABC, what we have? AB equals to AC. Why? Because it is given in the statement of the question. So this implies the angle opposite to the side AB, it is angle C, and the angle opposite to the side AC, that is angle B, they are equal. This is result number 1. Okay, and now mention the reason. Because what are these? They are the opposite angles of equal sides. In any triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal to each other. This is result number 1. Similarly, next one also we can write down. This AB is also equal to BC. Why? Because this is also given. All the three sides are equal, so we can write down AB and BC are equal. जब तीनों sides equal हैं, तो किन्हीं भी two sides को equal लिखा जा सकता है. And now, if AB and BC they are equal to each other, then their opposite angles will also be equal to each other. AB opposite angle C, side BC opposite angle A. So this implies the angle opposite to the side AB, that is angle C, and the angle opposite to the side BC, that is angle A, they are equal. This is result number 2. And now from result number 1 and result number 2, what can be written? Because in these two results we can observe very clearly that as angle C and angle C, it is the common angle. That means we can compare these two results. So from result number first And second, what can be written? All of these three angles, that is angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C, and we can give it result number 3. All the three angles are now equal to each other. And now we are going to use the angle sum property of triangle, according to which sum of all the three angles of any triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So now, in this triangle ABC, we can write down angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it equals to 180 degree, because mention the reason, that is angle sum property of triangle. And now, using result number 3, we can see, because all the three angles are equal, so any angle of these three angles can be replaced by another. किसी भी एंगल को किसी भी एंगल से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि तीनों आपस में इक्वल है. सपोज दिस implies angle A as it is रखा, angle B we are going to replace by angle A, as well as angle C is also replaced by angle A, it equals to 180 degree. ये हम कैसे कर पाए? Using result number 3. So mention कर दें using 3. Using result number 3, because all the three angles are equal to each other, so किसी भी एंगल को किसी भी एंगल से as per the requirement replace कर सकते हैं. And now, for example, x plus x becomes 3 times of x. Similarly, angle A plus angle A plus angle A becomes 3 times of angle A. So this implies it can be written 3 times of angle A equals to 180 degree. Next one, or this implies this 3 will go to the denominator. Angle A becomes 180 degree divided by 3. 3 1s are 360, 3s are 180. Angle A equals to 60 degree. And because angle A equals to angle B as well as angle C, it means angle B is also equal to 60 degree and angle C it also equal to 60 degree. So therefore we can write down angle A equal to 60 degree, and this implies next step angle B it also equal to 60 degree as well as angle C it also equal to 60 degree. That's all. So this was all about this question number 8 of exercise 7.2. Let us repeat the solution one more time. In this triangle ABC, all the three sides of the triangle are equal, that is AB, BC and AC, all these three sides are equal. What we have to show, हमें प्रूव करना है कि इस ट्राइंगल के सभी तीनों एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट क्या है, 60 डिग्री. एंगल A equals to 60 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree and angle C is also equal to 60 degree. Next one, in this triangle ABC, AB and AC, suppose these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles, angle C and angle B, they will be equal to each other using theorem 7.2. If two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal to each other. Next one, AB and BC, they are also equal to each other, so their opposite angles are also equal. Result number 2. Because angle C is present in both of these results, so we can compare the two results. So from first and second, what can we write down? All the three angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, they are now equal to each other. And now, using angle sum property of triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus angle C equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. And now, because for solving this equation, we have to convert this into a simple linear equation in one variable. So, तीनों angles को किसी भी one angle में आप convert कर दें. So, हमने angle B को भी angle A से, C को भी angle A से replace कर दिया. So, ये बन गया 3 times of angle A equals to 180 degree, and in this way, angle A equal to 60 degree. Because एंगल A, एंगल B, एंगल C तीनों आपस में इक्वल हैं, और अगर एंगल A 60 डिग्री के इक्वल है, इट मीन्स क्या हुआ, एंगल B भी 60 डिग्री होगा, एंगल C भी क्या होगा, 60 डिग्री. So this was all about this question number 8 of exercise 7.2, and I am sure all of you have understood this solution very well. Okay, so prepare the question and we will meet in some next video with some next question. Till then, all the best.